going into the dungeons. Oh, tough decision, tough decision. I am like in the heart of London right now. Oh, that's a char band, man. Oh my god. God forbid they send a new driver down here. Woo! Wow, it's just cyclists, people, cars. My heart is just pounding. That should be alright for me to get out of there. Alright, I'm currently on my way to London. It's inside London, which is really, really difficult.
It won't unload you anyway, there's a lorry there as well, look.
I'm not the best at blindsiding, but I'm gonna have to try it. London's a nightmare. Alright, we're gonna go into the warehouse now, collect the letter load, and be able to get straight out. Wait until Mark can park his trailer. Wow, feel like it's a more space because normally cars there. And then we're going into the dungeons. Oh, it's a trailer. Yeah, sexy, sexy. What's on the other side? Nothing. Gonna have to move the boxes then to get me loaded. Don't want to hit that. Imagine I hit that, like everything falls out. See, got enough space in here. Yeah, that should be alright there. Go, I need to strap it down quite well as well. The trailer's done. It's looking sexy. So, trailer's done now. If you can't see, look at the size of this truck compared to Scott's truck. Scott, what do you think? Which one is bigger?
That one by a mile bigger.
Is this bigger, better than this one? And this is the top shunter we got.
Howdy, how are you doing?
Look at that, H&M trucks left and right, left and right. Look at this guy. A little bit of traffic. I don't know if I got enough time to get there. It's 9 o'clock. Oh, I don't think I got enough time to get there, to be honest. Yes, I'm going to central London. This is like right in the middle. I don't know what the traffic's going to be like, but I'm doing a recce on the map. And the sat nav is telling me it's going to take me an hour to get through. Let's check on the map. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this postcode in here and I'm gonna change the one there. So roads, so all the tolls, that's 2 roads there. It's telling me to go through the bottom one. What's this one telling me? If it's the same one, there it's telling me yes. Okay, we're gonna take that one, the 11. It takes a little bit longer. Oh, tough decision, tough decision. I choose that one, which is the same one I saw there as the other one, but it's only 8 miles. It's taking me 42 minutes. I'm going straight through the city centre as well. The reason why London's crazy, everybody's jumping like in front of me, like even though they're choosing lanes to get in and everything. This is gonna be bad. The school run is on the way, so the moms and the dad will be picking up the kids now, so that's gonna make chaos as well. Should be there soon enough. I am like in the heart of London right now, like central London, like Great London. Should be alright. It's looking mad. Alright, I don't know how I ended up coming to London. I don't know why I say yes to this. Look, delivery driving in London is not my cup of tea. It's gonna be such a relief when I get out of here as well, because there's so many roads. You take only one wrong turn, and that just will turn into chaos. The cyclist is right beside me. If it wasn't for that one, I wouldn't be able to see it. All right, we shouldn't be too far anyway. We have to get out of here and never look back and carry on driving until the city gets further and further behind us. Not even look at the mirrors or anything, just go, 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 go. The route I'm taking now is alright, not too far, 1.6 miles away. Trying to make the right decisions as well, as slow as we can, not knocking any poles over. You'll be alright, pal, you'll be alright. But did help, so that's an amazing thank you there. Feeling that we're getting out now, so oof, that's a char band, man. Oh my god. God forbid they send a new driver down here. London, huh. All right, nearly there. I don't know how, but we have arrived. Nearly half of it, 3/4 of it. We only got 3 pallets out. All right, because some of the pallets are putting on the wrong ways and they can't get it on the other side or this side. And have to get in with a pump truck, pump it and turn it around so they can get the forklift in. All right, pump truck coming. What should do? All right, move the photo in with the forklift. Sorry, with the pump truck. Keep saying forklift for some reason. And then I need to figure a way to get out of here pretty soon. So I'm gonna close this curtain on this side. I'm gonna go have a look how I can get out, because this is gonna be crazy. All right, right now I'm just trying to work out what way, because I can't go that way. It's 14.3 the height. Can't get out that way, but it's telling me that I can go this way. Well, he told me. So if that's the bridge there, I'll be able to get out this way. So this is Baker Street. I need to know that I'll be able to swing around there, because what I just done today, it's been a load of work. I'm not willing to do that again, and I'm not willing to get stuck, especially around there. So now he's telling me one thing, and he's telling me another. But yeah, I can get out that way. All right, time to get out of here now. What a day, man. Cyclists everywhere, small streets, too many cars. Look how many cars on that side and everything. My heart is just pounding. Wow, it's just cyclists, people, cars, this, that, too many of everything. All right, let me do it now. I'm never gonna do it. All right, start twisting it here. That should be all right for me to get out of there. That should be all right. Wow, what a day, man. What a day, what a day, what a day, what a day. Back to the yard now, I think. Subscribe to the channel as well. Like, leave a comment, give us a like if you like this stuff, obviously. See you next time.